Hi, my name is Lindsay Mersman. As an IT and data analytics professional, you bear the burden of delivering flawless, consumable reports within tight deadlines to various stakeholder groups. This can be a challenge as many organizations operate within a complex IT landscape with little to no integration between systems. These roadblocks can be frustrating and add unneeded pressure to your group. The good news is, EAG has developed a product solution that alleviates these pain areas, giving users across your organization instant access to their data in easy-to-consume PowerBI formats, along with a cloud-based warehouse that structures and organizes your data intuitively. We call it EAG Foundations, the foundation of your business. Contact us to learn more.